bus can cross it. The bus alone can cross it. Yeah, man, that flood there, man. Che. Away, man, I don't want to have it, so, you know. I should bust the man.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel, people. Once again, big up in yourself for liking, subscribing, and commenting on my videos, people. Please remember, it never go unnoticed. Loving and much love and appreciation. So yeah, people, I know say there has been some heavy downpour in Jamaica recently from what is now Hurricane Delta, people. Within the span of about 48 hours, a little depression turned into a Category 4 hurricane, people. It turned into a Category 4 hurricane in a blink of an eye. And it dumped heavy rain in Jamaica, people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some videos and clips of the actual downpour and the rainfall, all the flood that happened in Jamaica today, people. That's what this video is about. A nice short video. I show you the actual damage that it left behind. You see me, people? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Truly appreciating it, people. Check it out, alright?
The bus can cross it. The bus alone can cross it. Yeah, man, that flood there, man. Bumbo cloud, che. Away, man, I don't want to have it, so, you know. I should bust the man. You know the water. Bumbo cloud. People have to push over, che. How the bus can cross it. Mark, I said, can't step there, Mark. I remember, Mark, so you catch up with the land there, you have to push the water, you know. I remember, the bus can't cross it.
Hillside collapse. Nobody can cross. This is the main road. This is the main road. Everything collapsed. See? Farmer line. Nobody farming a line and wait until they turn to cross it.
man.